Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today's Hump Day. It's August 23rd. Hey, we got a couple economic news releases first of the week. So Monday and Tuesday, as you may, if you guys been following, been a little slow. But today we got the market manufacturing PMI flash for the month of August. So back in July, we had a 53.3. And it dropped to 52.5. So anything above on these indexes above 50 is considered expansion or contraction in terms of below 50. Now on the opposite side, we got the market services or also non-manufacturing PMI flash for the month of August. So we got 54.7 back in July, and it went up in August to 56.9. So according to the market, we had manufacturers going down and services going up. So kind of a mixed one there, but services is obviously a very important one, primarily because it does make up the majority of the jobs out there. So it's good to see, at least that one going up. Of course, we like to see them both go up, but services can be a little more important in this type of juncture here. We got new home sales for the month of July. So June initially came out at 610,000. It went up to 630,000. So they revised that and raised that to 630,000. Now the forecast was 608,000, but it came in at 571,000 here. Now, the media is coming out and saying, it dropped like, it dropped like 9%. But if you look at the revision up higher, it's making it look like it's worse than what it is. So, again, something we'll have to kind of keep an eye on, but it's not as dramatic as, of course, what the media likes to, like they do. They kind of blow things out of proportion to create, the scare and get people to read their stuff or watch their stuff to create ratings and such. So just be careful out there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the headline news. The stock market is down. The Dow actually opened up around 75 points down, but since it's kind of recuperated a little bit, and of course initially was comments by Trump at his rally in Phoenix yesterday. What were those comments? He made comments about maybe shutting the government down to get the funding for that wall to be built along the Mexican border. That was one thing, and then another one was that he was talking about scrapping NAFTA in order to get his pro-business agenda moving forward. So there's some, a lot of things that were kind of thrown out there, and of course, kind of startled the markets a bit. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market and see what's going on over there. Bond market helped us out, so those comments are helping the bonds. So the stock market goes down, bond market's going up, so we're getting a little bit of a blessing here. We're up currently about 14 basis points from where we left off yesterday. So we closed down here about 103.20, and now we're up here close to about the 103.30. What is 103.31, around that range. So anyways, it's obviously a much better pricing. Now, we've been in this range quite a bit, as you can see here, for nearly about 2 weeks in this range, and we knocked down a bit. Just be careful. I mean, if you guys are out there, if you guys are floating interest rates and you haven't locked in yet, just be careful, because it's possible we could get, brought back down again. Even though you can see this trend, long term we're going upwards, but if you're going short term, needing to close soon, there's a possibility we could lose some of those gains in the short term here. But so far, long term, we're seeing this trend here going upwards, and we're still in this trend cycle, so we're still within these ranges here of what's going on here. And at some point, with this upward trend, we're going to be forced into this resistance here, this first line of resistance, and we'll have to see if we can break up above that. Okay, folks, so that pretty much concludes it. We do got, again, interest rates have improved from yesterday's pricing, which is obviously great news for those who are in the market for a new mortgage. But if you guys are looking for more updates throughout the day, just come over to Twitter. You can find me at Mike Bjork on Twitter. I do post updates, including the market closes and anything else that pops up throughout the day. Remember, tomorrow is the first day of the Economic Symposium, which will be a big event going on, where on Friday morning, expect some volatility, because you'll have Mario Draghi from the European Central Bank, and our own Fed's Janet Yellen will be speaking Friday morning, and they're going to be listening very intently to what they have to say, as always. All right, so anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.